Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MARA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another very eventful day on this one, and now that we have more data, there's certainly a very well-known pattern that has formed here. So before I go any further, I don't want to come across like this is some sort of great discovery on my part or that I have some sort of special skill set. The exact opposite. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, have taken notice of this pattern, and when a lot of people are watching the same patterns and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. Now, the first part of this pattern is going to be the representation that the bulls have been showing up and just slightly and slowly grinding the price higher and higher via that uptrending trend line. In fact, let me get this changed to green to represent more of a bullish dynamic here. But point here being, like I said, the ability to even draw that trend line has required the price to start to put in these higher lows. And higher lows is a good thing from a bullish standpoint. So that is certainly in place. Now, on the flip side, the problem part is that every time the price has gotten right up here around this area at $20, it has been a very big struggle. I mean, you go through the history of the chart, and you can see right here a struggle, and then even today, never really hit 20 exactly, but got within the general vicinity. Point here being $20 is a level that a whole lot of people are going to be watching, and what we have here is known as an ascending triangle pattern. Now, nothing is guaranteed. That's not what I'm getting at, but what I am getting at is that is more than rational. It is more than a reasonable thought to have that if the price were to come down here and then break to the downside, that break could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure because that would be a failed pattern. On the flip side, it's not guaranteed, but reasonable to think that if the price were to come up here and then get the break up through that area, that break very well could create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So these are definitely going to be the two main levels to watch moving forward. But all in all, to just summarize things, MARA, 30-minute time frame, ascending triangle pattern. Let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.